To use your S Pen as a navigation button such as Recent, Home, or Back button in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, first you have to set the action when you hold down your S Pen button to the desired navigation button. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features. Tap S Pen. By default, Air Action menu is enabled. If this menu is still disabled, tap the on off switch next to Air Action until the switch turns blue to turn it on. Next, tap Air Action. Tap press and hold pen button. Under navigation section, select the desired navigation button. They are home, back, and recent. As the example, we will select back. To see how it works, remove your S Pen. Tap and hold the S Pen button on the side of the S Pen to do the back button function. You can see that when you do this action, you will go back to the previous screen. Given to the function, you can use this feature as an alternative way to do the function of one of your navigation button. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.